Have you ever faced a problem but struggled to find the root cause? Introducing the cause and effect diagram. Also known as the Fishbone Diagram or Ishikawa Diagram, it helps visualize problems and identify their causes. This diagram provides a structured way to analyze problems. It is widely used in quality management and process improvement. Let's explore how to create one and effectively use it. First, you'll need to identify the main problem. This is your head or spine of the fish. Write it down clearly at the right end of your diagram. Next, draw a horizontal arrow pointing towards the problem. Now, it's time to add the main categories of potential causes. These are usually the bones of the fish. Common categories include methods, materials, machines, people, measurements, and environment. For each category, think of possible causes related to the problem. You can brainstorm with your team for better insights. Write these causes as smaller branches coming off the main bones. Now, let's discuss how to analyze these causes. Look for patterns and relationships. Some causes may relate to multiple categories. Focus on the most significant causes, those that have the largest impact on the problem. Next, prioritize the causes you've listed. You can do this by using a voting system within your team. The most voted causes should be your primary focus. For example, imagine you run a restaurant and face long wait times. Your main problem goes on the right side. Under methods, you might find inefficient table management. Under people, it may be insufficient staff during peak hours. With these insights, you can now take action. Implement solutions for the highest priority causes identified. In summary, the cause and effect diagram simplifies root cause analysis. Identify the problem, categorize the causes, and prioritize solutions. This method improves decision-making and problem-solving in your organization. Ready to tackle your next challenge? Start using the cause and effect diagram today. Just grab a pen, gather your team, and get started on identifying those root causes. Have you ever wondered how to transform complex problems into manageable tasks? The cause and effect diagram not only helps in visualizing these problems, but it also empowers your team to engage collaboratively in the analysis process. Begin by pinpointing the specific issue that is causing you concern. This is vital, as it sets the foundation for your diagram. Once you have defined the main problem clearly, position it prominently at the right end of the diagram, acting as the focal point where all analysis will converge. Next, draw a horizontal arrow extending from the left towards the defined problem, indicating the direction of inquiry. This arrow serves as the spine of your fish, connecting the major categories of causes to the issue at hand. By organizing your thoughts this way, you create a clear framework for analysis, paving the path for a focused exploration of potential factors contributing to the problem. As you set up your categories, think critically about each aspect that may influence the problem. Methods, materials, machines, people, measurements, and environment form the core bones of your fish. For instance, if you consider the category of methods, brainstorm various processes or workflows that might be contributing to the inefficiency at hand. Similarly, under people, examine the roles and responsibilities. Are team members overworked or lacking the training needed to optimize performance? By dissecting the issue into these categories, you not only create a visual representation of potential causes but also encourage diverse perspectives, which can lead to richer insights. As you continue your brainstorming session, encourage your team to think outside the box. Discuss specific incidents or patterns that might have contributed to the problem. For example, if you're experiencing delays in your production line, ask questions like, have any machine breakdowns occurred recently? Or, are we consistently short-staffed during critical hours? The more specific your inquiries, the more detailed your branches will become. Each idea threaded into your diagram reveals a deeper understanding of the interconnected nature of your problem. By capturing these insights, you build a comprehensive view of the challenges, setting the stage for rigorous analysis and effective solutions. Remember, the goal is to uncover all their relationships and prioritize them effectively, ensuring your team can address the root causes with confidence. As you compile your list of potential causes, remember to assess each one critically. Look for patterns and relationships among them. Some causes might overlap or influence others in ways that aren't immediately obvious. Prioritizing these categories will clarify which areas demand your attention the most, ensuring that your efforts lead to substantial improvements in such challenging scenarios. Consider utilizing a voting system among your team members to assess which identified causes are deemed most critical. By systematically applying the cause and effect diagram, your organization can enhance its problem-solving capabilities and foster a culture of continuous improvement. Start today, and enjoy the benefits of clearer insights and actionable solutions as you navigate through your challenges with confidence.